Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to switch between multiple Google accounts on Google Maps. Open your favorite browser. Go to maps.google.com. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. A drop-down menu will appear showing all the Google accounts you are currently signed in. From the list of accounts, click on the account you want to use. The page will refresh and load Google Maps under the selected account. After switching, your profile icon will update. You can make necessary searches or plan your trip using this account. This is how you can switch between multiple Google accounts on Google Maps. Thank you for watching.